refrain from standing.
San Juan Elementary School. For Majesty Queen Francine May the First and Israel Yorkin R.J. Blake the First. To our Municipal Mayor Honorable Kenneth Marcos Perez. To our Vice Mayor Honorable Aling Jericho Perez, represented by Sir Julius Carifolio, the legal consultant. Honorable Antonio Hannibal Perez, Municipal Councilor in charge of Education. Honorable Mario C. Farro, Municipal Councilor. Madam Lailani Yumanikten, our district supervisor, Kabakaraan Elementary School, and a former teacher of this school, Sir Romulo Rendorio. Tumakder kayo man gayang ako sa doon, Elementary School, and a former teacher of this school, Principal Journey Trinidad Ma'am. Palakpakan tayo ako. At agatuiman ni retired teacher, Madam Erlinda Canaban. Madam, thank you ma'am, thank you. Nandito rin po ang retired teacher ng San Juan Elementary School, Ma'am Rosalina Gomez. Ma'am, nandito around the world. Ako nagiging pa, nagiging bakasyonista, and to all donors of trophies. On behalf of San Juan Elementary School Teaching Force, it is my great honor and help make our program success. Most especially to our dear learners who continue to give
na rin na tayo katang maraming dahil pangtamaan Ikaw maganda na tumulong dito ay iskilaan kayo. Kaya ako, pagkantay mo natin, amin yung sinadanak, dito yung pupubi, dito yung royal family sa Tangalagi. So nga ako, dinapagdukat tayo, noon niya ipakausaran. Affair tayo nauon ako tama 800,000 pesos. Pagkakatan ako. Yaman ako, bagat ako, project project tayo nga PTA, tayo ko joint project, PTA kanisto. Dito ako nga joint project sa high school kung elementary. Kaya pagkatay mo namin ako. Dito ako, napan kami na resolusyon kiniapo Congresswoman Marvin Agabas.
Magandang mangpayapagdayawan amati ito sa Manuel ni Apo Mio kini Marcos Perez kasama kini Apo Vice Mio Alain Jericho Perez na representa Apo ni Pastor Julius Repolyo. Kasama na po Ayatlan ng mga Municipal Councilor, Honorable Mario C. Paro, and also Municipal Councilor Antonio Haniboy S. Perez. Nagiti kamang di Barangay Council ako at ito'y matata the PD President and also the formerly District Supervisor.
First of all, allow me to say thank you so much for accepting for the invitation on behalf of the Vice Mayor. Alam niyo, ako, lumawag hindi pa nakaawat, hindi pa nakakaros. Among medyo ma-overload sa deleting messages ng region. Balik na ngayon kay Budlag, kay Pandog, na manibot pa ito tabigat, at kayo din po yun nag-celebrate. However, dapat lang apong pagayawan kayo atinggin dahil ito nagpipintas ng messages. May space or talagang halaga ang bawat barangay, lalong-lalo na sa iyong barangay San Juan. Una sa lahat, hindi ko pamakayaan, allow me to give honor, respect sa mga leaders natin. I am so humble tonight dahil nakikita ko ang mga napakaraming mentors, mga teachers, retirees, pero andito pa rin sila just to witness this grandest night or event of our 98th founding anniversary of San Juan Elementary School. And I'm proud to be a part and a product of this school. Palubusan ng kasi, kaya ako na pasinturahan ng determine sa amin. Muna natin relay, kaya ako busy ngayon. Palubusan ng pagkayawan, the Honorable Mayor Kenneth Marcos Perez.
become an engineer someday. Once again, Her Majesty Queen 2020, Hannah Faith Carbonell Rivera. Of Sir Joel Y. Serra and of Julie D. Serra. And Jermaine wants to become a policeman someday. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, he's Grander King 2020. Jermaine Zachary Catolasco Serra. Brianna Rose was born on July 5, 2020. She's the daughter of Edward A. Zaire. This fine man wants to become a policeman someday. Once again, His Royal Highness. And Abdel wants to become a doctor someday. Once again, Her Royal Highness Fifth Princess Abdel Joy, and he wants to become a civil engineer someday. Once again, His Royal Highness Fifth Prince wants to become a teacher someday. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Her Royal Highness Mel and Ma'am Elvira E. Carbonell, and he wants to become an engineer someday. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, His Royal Highness Fourth Prince John Elijah Palado Carbonell. Lord, make the lakas.
Stop, LA! Stop! Stop!
Civil engineer someday. Ladies and gentlemen, His Royal Highness Third Prince Paul Martin Galamon. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, Her Royal Highness Second Princess Yuna May Luna Renkasti. Alin, born on February 4, 2015. She is the lovely daughter of Mr. Reggie Olegane and Mrs. Josefina F. Olegane. And as we welcome the song Glory D. Soriano. Once again, he's graduating 2026, RJ Brent Munoz Soriano. Setting the stage for the coronation proper. Once again, the royal family from the kingdom of San Juan Elementary School. Mari po ba nating bigyan sila ng isang masigapong Juan Elementary School 2026. Stop the music.
May preno.
Ayan, kung pwede po, mag-assist po ang ating mga prince and princesses para po makapunta po sila sa kanilang the crowning moment of Her Royal Highness Sixth Princess Brianna. The crowning moment of His Royal Highness Sixth Prince. We have Nathaniel Gordios Dolor. Fifth Princess Althea Joy Tambone Grillo. Now we are witnessing the crowning moment of His Royal Highness Fifth Prince. We are witnessing the crowning moment of His Royal Highness Fourth Prince, John Elijah Poblado Carbonell. And now we are witnessing the crowning moment of Her Royal Highness Third Princess, Ellie Cristel Bashon Mengaracan. Now we are witnessing the crowning moment. Of Her Royal Highness Second Princess, Yuna May Luna Legaspi. Moment of His Royal Highness Second Prince, Liam Axel. The crowning moment of Her Royal Highness First Princess, Aliyah K. Macaraag Olegari. The crowning moment of His Royal Highness 2020, Hannah Faith Carbonell Rivera. So at this moment, we will have the coronation of our sovereign for the year 2026. We are now witnessing the passing of the crown from Hannah Faith Carbonell Rivera to our Her Majesty Queen 2026, Francine May Repollo Sumaki. And now, Her Majesty will be adorned with her royal cape and scepter, symbolizing her authority and royal dignity.
Compress.
Your Majesty.
Okay, dito naman sa akin. Dito naman.
And now we are witnessing the passing of the crown from the Green Zachary de Velasco Serra to our East Graduate 2026 RJ Brent Munoz Soriano. And scepter, symbolizing his authority and royal dignity. Once again, His Majesty will be adorned with his royal cape and scepter, symbolizing his authority. We are now witnessing the donning of the cape from the Ray Zachary to RJ Brent Munoz Soriano. We're now witnessing the turning of
Nation. 6 years ago, in 2020, we witnessed the rise of two remarkable Velasco Serra. Through their reign, they embodied the very best of our institution, leading with compassion, serving with dedication, and inspiring us all to take pride in our school's heritage. We extend our deepest gratitude to Sir Joey Delore, whose vision gave life to this cherished tradition that continues to unite us year after year. To the proud parents, Eddie and Jessan Rivera, Joel and Julie B., thank you for nurturing these exceptional individuals who have brought so much honor to our school. As we watch our former king and queen take their final farewell walk, tonight we celebrate not just their time on the throne, but the lasting impact they have made on our community. Their legacy of leadership will light the way for all who follow. And now, as we prepare to crown our new royals, let us carry forward the spirit of unity, excellence, and pride that has defined our Foundation Day celebrations from the very start. Please join me in giving a warm round of applause for our 2020 monarchs, and let us welcome with open hearts the new chapter that awaits us tonight.
From our Her Majesty 2026, we have Mr. Francis G. Sumahi and Mrs. Myra R. Sumahi. We are now witnessing the feeding of the sand of Her Majesty Queen 2026, Francine May Ripolio Sumahi. Ian Asuncion with Miss Joyce and Pastor,